Phones are an issue that come up a lot in my work. Departments want to look at officers' phones. Officers want to get into suspects' phones. There's a lot of information held in these devices. So it makes sense that there is controversy surrounding when and how phones can be accessed. This week, I want to talk about the United States versus Payne, a 2024 Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals opinion relating to accessing cell phones using biometrics. I'm Steve Serbalik, and I'm a panel attorney with ASCOPS in Arizona. Note that this video's topic is limited to Fifth Amendment considerations, the right we all have to avoid self-incrimination. It doesn't analyze Fourth Amendment unreasonable search issues. With that disclaimer, on to today's scenario. Payne, a California parolee, was arrested and charged with several drug charges, including intent to distribute. As Payne was on parole, California officers were allowed to conduct a suspicionless search of his property, which in this case included his phone. During a traffic stop, the California Highway Patrol forced Payne to use his thumb to unlock his cell phone while he was handcuffed behind his back. Payne argued that the officers violated his Fifth Amendment right against self-incrimination when he was forced to use his fingerprint to unlock his cell phone. The court noted that for a defendant to benefit from the Fifth Amendment privilege, three things must be present in the potential communication. It must be compelled, it must be incriminating, as in demanded by the authorities, and it must be testimonial. Courts in this case acknowledged that using Payne's thumb against his will was both compelled and incriminating, as it confirmed ownership of the phone that contained evidence. So the question was it testimonial? The courts found the answer was no. Payne did not have to speak or make a mental effort during the process. He did not have to verbally provide a passcode, and he did not have to choose which finger would unlock the device. So, the courts considered the interaction closer to a blood draw or fingerprinting a suspect during booking. Here are the takeaways. Payne was a parolee, so the search of his property was warrantless. For any other suspect, officers would need a warrant to access the contents of the phone. This leads me to a general piece of lawyer advice. Turn off biometrics on your phone. Have a 6-digit passcode, not facial recognition, not fingerprint, not a 4-digit passcode. This means that your device and your personal information is not easily accessible by the government or anyone else who wants into your phone. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Don't forget to like, follow, and turn on notifications. It really helps the channel grow. Be on the lookout for new videos. They come out every Sunday at 5:30 p.m. Arizona time. I'm Steve Serbalik. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.